Nak bolnak wala karua ni vakatovotovo tablet nga kena na mic watakena video call ngonongo stream tu kena na OBS using OBS meu stream kena na Facebook kadital tu nga na YouTube and I'm testing video call but yagnanga mi bang taking on a live bekela kaya editor tu na camera lele going on Logitech C270 ko bang tatingo over switch go on karuni mic karuni cam integrated webcam go integrated webcam and a laptop, and so I don't expect the quality to be the same as when C270 so I'm only using the headphone for output sound more monitoring na mic au bang touching na camera quite a lot yes C270 because Logitech generally webcam go Logitech is known for their audio equipment, so I found the camera go so I'm hoping it's picking up sound well now, and I'm going to check it out.